If you're a real estate investor, you know this one's a big deal. Repairs versus improvements.
So, is the money you're spending on your property helping you or hurting you at tax time?
Getting this wrong can be costly. We're talking missed deductions, overpaying, even an audit.
See, the IRS gives you two paths for every expense: repairs you deduct now or improvements you depreciate.
A repair is pretty simple. It's just about keeping the property in its current working order.
Things like fixing a leak or painting, those are repairs. You get to deduct the whole cost this year.
Now, improvements are different. They add real long-term value, so the cost gets spread out.
Okay, but how do you really make the call? It can get a little tricky sometimes, right?
Well, the good news is the IRS actually gives us a framework to figure this out.
It's called the BAR Test. It's a simple set of 3 questions you need to ask yourself.
First up, B is for Betterment. Did you make the property better than it was before?
Then there's A for Adaptation. Did you change the property's use, like converting a garage?
And finally, R is for restoration. Think replacing the whole roof, not just patching a leak.
Now, beyond the BAR test, the IRS has some helpful shortcuts called safe harbors.
The big one is the de minimis safe harbor. You can deduct any single invoice item under this amount. Using these rules means you can deduct more right away, which is great for your cash flow.
Okay, so let's talk long-term. Why does getting this right matter so much down the road?
For residential property, you'll depreciate those major improvements over 27.5 years.
So, a new roof that costs this much gives you a $1,000 deduction year after year.
But here's the other crucial part. That cost increases your property's tax basis.
And that is a huge deal when you sell, because it means you'll pay way less in capital gains tax.
So you see the strategy: repairs help your cash flow now, improvements save you big money later.
Knowing the difference really empowers you. So what will your next move be for your property?